Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. Well, bless and love, guys, bless and love, bless and love, bless and love. You know, the thing goes, welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. You know, hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are or anywhere you're watching from. So yes, guys, it's that day, and I thank you guys so much. You know, remember, if you're one of them that subscribe to the Vivo channel, my music channel, which is a Keynote Vivo, which is AKEYNOTE, you know, Vivo. So that's my music channel. So that's where the music video is going to be released. You know, so you know what I'm saying? Charity never stops, music never stops. You know, so as I told you in the previous video that I'm gonna head to Treasure Beach. You know, that's where I'm gonna head to. You know, more songs to record. You know, I need a whole album, you know, but I need to have them songs. I need to be more consistent, so that's what's gonna continue right now. So you know, I'm gonna head down there today, and for my son, you know, his trip was an emergency trip, you know, because of his great grand that passed away, you know, so he came for the funeral, so he knew he have to go back, you know. So yes, I got a good couple of days with him out of about a week or two. Yeah,
3 kilometers,
yes,
take the exit toward Fort Augusta Drive.
You know, with him, so I give thanks and I appreciate. So I'm here with no other than young Kino, which is Kyo. Guys, Kyo don't want to go home. Kyo don't want to go home. But you know, he'll come back again. You know, I'm seeing daddy soon. Right, Kyo? Kyo, heads up, man, heads up. So right now he's in the game, you know. But you can see, look at his face. He don't want to go home, but he have to go home. It's cool, right? You can say hello. You can subscribe to my daddy's channel. Go on then.
Subscribe to my daddy's channel. The ocean. Well, why by the ocean?
Driving over the ocean. Yes, guys. So you know it goes already. You know, it's been a while. I haven't seen him physically. You know, so once he get that opportunity with daddy, you know, I don't want to leave. You know, from what time we should have leave out and keep. And I said, no, I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet. Delay the time. Look, poor thing. Poor thing. He's not even in the talking mode today. Not even in the talking mood. But yes, guys, as I say, I will give thanks and I thank you guys so much. And Kyo, to tell them to subscribe to your daddy music channel.
Subscribe to my daddy's music channel.
Yeah, for his music video.
Music video.
You know, I go up here to give vex.
In 500 meters, take the exit toward Fort Augusta Drive.
Yeah, but I'll try and see, you know, if he could come when Diamond Day is coming. You wanna come when Diamond Day is coming? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna try and see if he could come when Diamond Day is coming. Okay? Hold on. All this money that daddy pay. The tour. They're vlogging now, so Kia is vlogging. So right now Kia is vlogging.
In 200 meters, take the exit toward Fort Augusta Drive. Take the exit toward Hillshire and Port Henderson toward Fort Augusta Drive. Port Henderson to Fort Augusta Drive.
Why are two people talking?
I don't know. People nosy. Alright then, thank you.
Continue onto Port Henderson Road.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna drop him off. You know, and then I'm gonna be on my way heading into St. Elizabeth. And there's another beach here as well to Kia over there. The beach is there. There, look, you see? Over there. So I never get the chance to take you there. But you know, because as I said, the visit was a bit short, so I never really get the chance to do as much that I would want to do it with him, you know, so you can actually get some little fun time. As I say, it was an emergency trip. You know, we still appreciate the time. So hopefully we'll see him back soon this year. When my daughter is coming out, so you know, so if we get the two of them together. So it's been a while I've been the two of them together, so let's try and do that. So stay
Maybe you
guys.
may go on the same airplane?
Yeah, we'll be on the same airplane. You want that? You want to come back with your sister?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Let's see, guys. Let's see. So, blessed Lord. Here's well sunny, nice and sunny and beautiful. Beautiful day here in JA.
In 1 mile, at the roundabout, take the second exit.
So, obviously, a lot of people never get to see my son, and this is the first time you guys are going to see him. You know, the first time for all of you to see him. You know, so yeah, I know you see my daughter already, you know, because it's now peace. Bye. Come. Bye bye. Alright guys, so I just pulled up outside of Living Foods. You know, Living Foods. So I'm gonna grab something before I head on the road. So I'm here at Living Food. It's been a while, you guys haven't seen me come up here. Living Food is my healthy spot as well too. Up in Lane Plaza. Gary! Good day, good. I'm irie. I'm gonna be more irier when I get this for the road. So guys, been a no, I'm going Senti. I'm going Treasure Beach. No? I'm gonna be at studio. Yeah. Going to the studio guys. Kerry is in today. Yeah, so I'm gonna add this for the road.
Yes, it is.
You know, I'll get my black beans burger, jerk burger
You want something you can call
with my turmeric, charcoal bun. Yeah, charcoal bun. That will be me and my journey. You know, but I was thinking, should I stop at Yaya's store? But I will call him once I get closer. Yeah, I think I should just pass there just to get like the spring water.
There's roasted
Yeah.
breadfruit sauteed in a potato tomato.
I'll probably get something to eat as there as well too. So I can do that. So healthy eating journey today. So I'll probably start there on my way. Yeah. So I'll probably do that. Let's see. Depends on what the time is. If I got the time, if it's not too much traffic down them side and everything. So I'm gonna do that. Yeah. Stay tuned.
So it reminds me of what the Bible said, the tree that's planted by the river.
Yes. So this is not an egg.
And then that's the maize outside. So the maize outside is a different spice, you know.
Yeah. Started by the river. So wait, that's it. You think the burger is ready? Oh, this is we call it again?
French time.
French. Oui, French time.
Some people call it oregano.
Put that in the food.
What?
Overload. You had froze already, man. So I'm ready for the road, guys. Ready. My bro dries out there.
Do you have your water?
Yeah, I'm a charcoal burger in the bottle. Ready.
Ready, steady, send to Lizzie.
Right to Senti. Right to Lizzie.
Lizzie,
I am coming, Lizzie. I am coming. Let me use the card. Lizzie, I'm coming. I like to be lucky, you know.
You're lucky, you're blessed.
I'm blessed. Yeah. Them say I'm blessed. I'm gonna be blessed.
So I come in with the dragon fruit and people would say,
Yeah.
I can just peel it when I go to peel it out.
I eat it. Really look like a dragon.
Not true.
This is my dragon fruit. So you just peel it off.
Yeah, man, you can just peel it from here and just
Eat
enjoy.
inside.
Yeah, man.
Jeez, look at this dragon fruit. Is a big one this month?
Oh, the little. That's a good size, man.
Yeah, that's a good size.
Yeah, man.
Thank you so much, Kerry.
Welcome, Kino.
Thank you. I'm gonna enjoy this on my journey with my dragon fruit. Gonna reach early.
Oh, you reach early. That's still a session this night, right?
Yeah, but I'm gonna be down there still. So,
Alright, safe journey.
alright then, take care.
Thanks.
Wow, the sun is blazing. This guy is dragon fruit. And I never tried it before. I never tried it, but I'll give you juice. I never tried it like this. So guys, I'm gonna eat this and then head on the road. So catch you. Let's see if I'm gonna stop at Yaya's place. You know, I'll try and stop there. So see you on the journey, guys. Blessed love. guys, well, I just reached, but on my journey there was some rain down here as well. You know, as you can see, the place is wet. You know, so at least then get some shower of blessing. You know, it was raining and it's even cooler now. You know, cause down this side always hot, extra hot, but it's kind of cool now. You know, yeah, it's kind of cool now. So yeah, man, give thanks. You know, thank the Lord. I reached safe. And I touchdown. So I need to go check in now and everything. So place is quiet, place is wet. It was raining in Georgia. You know, and you know, guys, there's so much place down here you can stay in the South Coast, but I just like staying right here at this place, you know, at Lashings. You know, I like it. For some reason, it feels like me, you know, because with the nature and everything right up on the beachfront there. I'm not saying that the rest of them don't have beachfront, but if I go to this place the first time, it's like I just don't want to stay at nowhere else. But and trust me, there's more villas here. But I just choose to stay at this one, you know. This more feels like me. So I just stay here, man. Just. So you get little rain and thing. So Tuesday, so we get some rain. That's the room I was staying in, so this is what I'll go on. What room am I going to get? Hello.
Yeah, how you doing, man?
Sandra.
You ever meet Alec before?
Yeah, man.
That's David's.
Yeah, couple times. Good, man. San,
How are you?
just got here.
Yes, bro.
Good.
Yes, bro. We just got. I'm just trying to set up. You good, though, bro?
Yeah, I see you guys get some rain.
Yeah, bro. Finally.
Place been hot.
Finally. Yes, Alec.
Can you tell Daddy?
Yes, Alec.
Setting up the vinyls.
Ask your daddy what? What do you want me to do?
Oh, the CBD oil.
Where? Oh, bucks. This. 2,300.
Alright guys, so this is where I will be staying, you know, different from the last, you know, simple, it's casual, you know. See, this one is keeping it simple. Yeah, so yes guys, anything goes. So blessed love, you know, that's gonna conceal that day to day, you know. So this is my little room, you know, my little cottage, you know, simple, you know, and a budget, you know, everything goes. As I'm here for studio session, so I'm got somewhere to catch my head. Yeah, so I'm just gonna relax now for a bit, you know. So this will be my view when this is open. This is what I will be seeing. So when this is open, even when this is closed, this is my view. That is my view. That is my view. That's the truth. You know, little. It's quite simple. Nothing out of the ordinary. You know, it's just simple, and that's for me. You know, I'll relax and kick back. So, blessed love, guys. Blessed. Good morning. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love, blessed love. What a wake up. You know, what a way to wake in the morning. Wow. Beautiful. I had a lovely sleep. You know, listen to this ocean splashing in. You know, it's right there. So blue and pretty that is. It's so lovely. The breeze. The oxygen that I'm taking in right here is breathtaking, trust me. It's so lovely to wake up like this. Such a lovely feeling to wake up looking out on this. Good morning, world! So beautiful. You know, it's time for me to go and get some breakfast. You know, start my morning first, my breakfast. I'm not gonna eat here at the Airbnb. I'm gonna go at my regular spot, which is down close by where the studio is. You know, because I like her breakfast. You know, she does some lovely breakfast. So that's what I'm gonna head and see if I can get some callaloo with haki. And with what the ground provide, you know, that's what I'm feeling for this morning. But trust me, look at this view, man. Nice here, nice here at Lashings, you know, Lashing Beach Club. Lovely, man. As what I said, there's other villas down here, other Airbnbs, you know, you have Jake's and you have the others, and you have Jack Sprat, you have so many, you know, but I just love staying here, you know. I just love staying here, and I stay at some of them already, but I just love that this vibe, you know. I don't know, there's something that got me right here, you know, hooked. So that's why I'm just literally at this part. So I'm gonna go in my room, get my keys, and then head on. Okay, so pick up this my phone. I won't leave you alone. I love this drawing on the wall. Really love this drawing on the wall. It's artwork. So yes, I'm ready to go get something to eat and then come back and relax a bit for whenever it's studio session. So stay tuned, guys. That's why I say in life we cannot complain. Yesterday it was rain and today is the sun. So which one you rather? Because the morning is bright, very bright. The sun is obviously going to be hot because it's named the sun, fire, you know, and the rain bring coolness. So you know the thing goes already. So yeah, but I read a boat. Can't complain. But, you know, so guys, I'm here at the spot to get my breakfast. Yeah. Oh, it's gone. Hello. Morning.
Morning.
Okay. You got callaloo and ackee? Can I have my regular the callaloo and ackee without saltfish? Callaloo.
Straight ackee and callaloo.
Yeah, no saltfish. With what the ground provide.
No more food.
No more food?
Finish. The liquid we have order for it already.
Lie.
And she can wait till some cook. Honestly can't wait there until I cook some. I have bami, fried dumplings.
Oh, no, I don't know fry. I would say for 15-20 minutes. Alright, then I'll wait.
Okay.
I'll wait.
Are you gonna have it, right?
Yeah. We just have some tea for the time being then.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so I'll wait for the ground food to be cooked again, you know. We gotta do everything fresh here, so it's about 15-20 minutes. You know, 15-20 minutes is a quick time, so I'll wait for that, you know, so at least I get everything well boiled, fresh and ready, you know, because it's early as it is. The guy with the sold off, because this is a breakfast spot. You won't get lunch here, that's only breakfast. So everyone head here for their breakfast, you know, because they know they're not going to get lunch nor dinner, just breakfast. So if you don't come here early as before daylight, hey, you're going to be missing out. Yes, I'm glad I'm here, so I'm going to be waiting for like 15-20 minutes, and then, yes, I'll just have some tea at a minute, and then stick it. So well guys, so here is my food is ready. Ready. So we have the callaloo, and we have the ackee. You know, and I have plantain, sweet potato, an Irish potato and banana. So this is my breakfast here. Breakfast settings that you can see. So you know the thing go. I'm gonna enjoy this meal and then I'll catch you guys back up. You know, so sorry if I haven't give you any, but see ya Akia. Alright, well guys, well, so you know, I just finished studio session as well too, you know, so I came to studio, you know, done some work and thing, you know, so you know the thing goes, work always have to put in, because I'm back in the music, you know, because I remember I used to tell myself I cannot do both, you know, I used to use this to find an excuse as well for getting back into it, you know, because show where what I was coming from, the reason I stopped doing music and a lot of things that behind it, you know, so find the courage, you know, I'm saying something I'm really try to get me to do it back, you know, you want that more encourage me. A lot of people tell me, say, Keenan, you should still do your music, same me, but you know what, put all that aside, you know, the past is the past, so it's a new beginning, you know, so I'm gonna do both, you know, so I'm doing studio, doing the music, and I'm still doing the work, same way, so nothing no stop. Yes guys, I'm gonna say it's cloudy, you know, partly cloudy, and I guess it can get thunder now, but the best part of it, the sun is somewhere behind the cloud, you know, so that gives me a chance to walk, because trust me, the sun is boiling right now here in Treasure Beach. So I saw a little villa across over here. I'm just gonna walk over there to see what the beach is looking like, you know, what the water is looking like. So that's why I decided to step out. You know, one thing with Treasure Beach, look guys, the place is quiet. You know, you don't really see people at all. So you don't really through the South Coast, see there? That's through the South Coast, so that's where everything get done. That's through the South Coast. So you know, when saying the music, and you want to get record, you know, that's what everything says. So welcome to Treasure Beach. So this is the place is just peaceful and quiet and clean. Like a clean woman. Alright, this is Golden Sands Beach Resort. So let me go take a look. I guess I'm not trespassing or passing stress. So these look like some rooms, I guess. It is, because everything down here on Treasure Beach is either a villa, a resort, or an Airbnb. But I hope no dog not in here. Well, dog cannot be in here. So this place looks like it's closed down. Or what? I don't see not even one person, but the place is nice. You know. But the place is no one here. No, not so I guess this place is kind of closed. Must. Wow, we got nice sun down here as well. The gate is closed. Look at the junker. What the junker find? Oh, so what's up fish? Junker them love that smell. See the junker them. Something is washed on shore. So that's why you see them. That look like some sauce of fish. Look guys, it's a lot of soursop fish as well. That's the name of them, right? Soursop fish, look. Something happened. There's so many soursop fish. I'm sure. Look. Is that the name of these fish? So tell me if I'm getting it wrong. The fish swell up. There's more. Look, there's more. There's more down here as well. Even a baby one as well too. Well, there's more again. What's going on while the wash come ashore? You know? Why only these fish? So much. Look at this another big one. Wow. There's something is going on in the ocean. Look again, more fish. Something is going on. More fish. And this place is closed as well too. I don't see no one's out. I don't know, there's something look bulky. You know, why so many of these fish? Is it soursop fish? I don't know, put it in the comment section guys. I think it's soursop fish, the one that swells up with the bones. Yeah, there's so much. I don't know what's going on, but something went down. Let them wash from ashore. Unless they were caught in the seaweed. I don't know, this villa, quiet. Well, it's a resort, you know, Golden Sand Beach Resort. And then there's a next one next there, Frenchman. It seems like they're closed. I don't see no activity, no movement, nothing at all. Nothing I don't see. But this is just the beauty of Treasure Beach. Nothing. I don't know. But something happened. Place is quiet. No one. So also guys, let me say I want to thank each and everyone that takes and listen to my song. You know, thank you so much, you know, for checking out my music. You know, like when I say there's nothing but love and love alone. So if you're watching and you don't subscribe to a Keynote Vivo, please go and subscribe to a Keynote Vivo. You know, be a part of that family, be a part of the movement. You know, spread the love, you know, to share the love. And everyone can come and support, you know, a Keynote, this journey, you know. So I'm giving you guys a piece of my talent, you know. Because remember, I also play football, you know, but football is in the age right now, you know. Can't do certain things that I used to do, you know. Otherwise, like mostly fitness wise, you know, to keep up with the fitness. The time's not there for that, you know. But I'm putting in the time for the music, and that's how I choose it, you know. So yes man, so welcome to Treasure Beach. So guys, please subscribe to our Keynote Vivo, you know, and then push the music. Let's push it, let's do it, because this is gonna continue. I'm not gonna stop, you know. I'm back on it, like what Chris did say, I'm back at it like a crack addict, you know. But you know the thing, I'm not no crack addict. But yeah, but I'm back in the music, man. We back. So that is it. So I'm just gonna go back to my car. Yeah, look at mini walk. Nice. Jamaica, so beautiful, man. I just love Treasure Beach. You know, I just love the south. I love the north. You know, more because of the resort them. But there's something about the south. You know, the south here I've sent it. There's just something about it. You know, it's like I think it's more peaceful. Like there's just a vibe about it. You know, that I really like down here, especially the best place a studio could be. You know, surrounded by all of that. You know, look at the best place that could have been. Oh, yeah. So let's go on. today, man. It's a great day to that the studio.
Sorry, bro, yeah. Okay, real good, bro.
Looks like it's gonna.
Got another song done.
Yeah, so let them know we got another song done.
Yeah, he's boosted, look. He's got another one done. And we're working on the third one now, so just pure music when you come to Treasure Beach, man. Good music, you know?
Yes, because they say they cannot wait
Yeah.
to hear, especially when the
We're gonna
video
get a bunch of
drop.
music. Now that he comes and does his thing, you know, you guys are going to get a bunch of music, alright? Yeah.
And tell them it's going to be on our platform, because them,
Yeah, man.
you know that
everywhere.
song, the RIP one, everyone's keep on saying, Kino, want to purchase this song, want to purchase this song, you know?
I'm not sure about that. I didn't do that one.
No, no,
Oh,
no,
okay,
no,
yeah,
no,
yeah. No way. Anything that we do will be available everywhere.
Yeah,
For sure, alright? Fam, everywhere it'll be available.
all platforms,
good
everywhere.
clean music, good clean videos, you know? Spread the message. That's what we're all about.
Yes.
What
They're
do you say? To the beach now.
Yes. Morning. Working on me. Yes, I'm in your town.
That's already, man.
Oh, you're vlogging. And so I'm in this town.
Yeah, guys, look who we're running to, guys. One round with Kino. Yeah,
One Kino in your town. Where's that your town, Mina?
Yeah, man.
So I have to pay for live here.
Yeah,
Right?
man, I got charge you if you come to my town.
But now already I pay for the room already with Mina, so.
Oh, you pay your feet, eh?
Yeah, yeah,
Oh, okay,
so-
alright. So you contribute then?
Yeah, I'm
And you come
contributing.
buy food, you have stuff from
Yes,
nice
man.
lady.
It's
Yeah?
on my spot, man.
Are you spot?
Yeah, man.
Oh,
Must shoot the right round there, so man, let's go. You know, so right in that town me there. Come see you guys, I drop the glass on me and say like. But the I name?
Tony, Andrew Kitchen, you know?
Okay, Tony Andrew
Yeah,
Kitchen.
man, we follow you big time, man. You see my pan colors though, the other day when colors come back from Philippines and stay by me
Yeah.
at Toronto.
Okay.
Canada, eh?
See there. See there, so big up yourself, man. See there on Kenya Life in Jamaica. Big up yourself.
Yes,
One Tony's Kitchen.
yeah, man.
All the way from Canada.
Running to Kino down at Treasure Beach here in our hometown, you know?
Yeah, and a few own town now, so it's mine as well too, you know.
You might go move, come down here soon, you know? I go left on Trenchtown and come down here.
Of course, you know, lead the whole of the charity work. And
But just have a guest house up the top, that's all.
we're up the road? Okay.
Right beside the rooftop bar.
A rooftop bar, right at the, like a little gap like. As you pass the little
And the girl in
shop.
the corner right here, so.
Okay. Oh yeah, I know where you're talking. Okay, is so that means I may have place to stay.
Yeah, I can't move for it.
Yeah, I've got place to
That's where the
stay.
trees them stay when they come down here.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, man, the trees and include stay there when we come down here.
No, but no, we're gonna talk then. We're gonna talk then.
Yeah, man.
You know, we're gonna talk. Alright, morning.
Are you going to that?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm down here from Sunday.
Okay.
Yeah, from Sunday I'm here.
And yeah, so I'm going to go.
Yeah? Morning.
Morning.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Let me get the Aki. Aki and Kalu, no saltfish.
I can call a little no saltfish.
No saltfish. And with ground food.
You know, so just yam of Irish that good.
Just yam and Irish, no banana, no sweet potato.
Dry.
Dry, really?
Yeah. Real dry.
Call me lumbling.
I think so. There was some earlier. I can check. I don't know if there's any left.
Alright, you can check it out. Call me lumping. I can call me, you can put some oats on the floor. Yeah.
Okay, I get the 2 left.
2 left? Oh, so 2 we forget or more than 2.
More than 2, but we can give you 2. Okay, that's it.
So if they give me more yam and more Irish then.
Okay, yeah, of course.
Of course.
Yeah.
Alright, and thank you so
Who are
much.
you? Who are you?
Kino. Kino Life in Jamaica on YouTube.
Okay.
But I saw you yesterday at the studio.
Yeah.
Remember? I was voicing the song and you're like,
Yeah.
good song.
Okay.
Remember now, right?
Yeah, I remember.
Ah,
Yeah, no, I remember.
But slip your mind quick though.
No. I've just been trying to figure it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
I know you get it right.
Yes.
We can get a cup of tea as well too. Thank you.
Yep. Oh, I can color one food. And the 2 dumpling I have. I can color one time. You want to my container to go?
See?
No, the food. Just Aki and just Kalaloo, no sorry.
Mega? I have it now.
You have it now?
Yeah, the reason we haven't have it in a box just because you was in the studio.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Alright.
So I'm gonna have it now, some strong food in the morning, and then now I'm gonna literally get a smoothie as well. So with it, so everything goes strong in the morning, ready for the studio session. Energy.
I can't do it right now.
Oh, good. Cool. Yeah, man.
But you know, somebody to go foreign. So we just reached back Tuesday.
Okay, you just reached back.
Yeah, man.
Okay, I was wondering where you go,
Yeah, man.
I'm back here, so you're gonna check some.
Look like I'm gonna come this way. I'm gonna lock up now.
My lock up, it's just opening.
Oh, so I'm just reached then?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna open it. I think so, I'm gonna lock it.
Satnam! Yo!
Yes, mommy.
Yeah. Energy! And John brought energy from the Maroon Man, to the studio. Yeah, the Maroon Man. He brought it. Alright, Mr. Don, he brought that energy. I'm gonna eat a smoothie inside here. This is also a wellness place here, same place. Where you can also get smoothie and get any natural thing. It's an organic place, right here. Organic. Hello.
Hello.
Can I get the fruit medley yesterday? You make it, right? Yeah, with no milk.
Oh, no milk? Oh,
yeah. This guy. So I'm getting a fruit medley, papaya, pineapple, mango, seasonal fruits, coconut jelly, but no milk for me, right? So that is it, no milk. I'm not having no milk. So here's my smoothie. My smoothie make me feel so cool. So here was what's going on. Wow. But imagine, this is so good. Why did they have milk on the menu? Oat milk or the animal milk? I don't think that need any milk. From it's a fruit medley, so just keep it fruit. You don't have almond and no milk at all. This is so good. Alright guys, today I have to get a swim for sure. The weather looks very good, but today I definitely have to go in the water. Today's a water day for me, so I'm going to go in the salt water first and then pool later. So I'm going to swim to get some inspiration right now. Go in on my meditation. That's where the thing is at. Yes, brother. Mauzy. Hello, Mauzy. Sandra.
Hey. Maria, how are you?
John, energy. Genius.
You put down another piece.
Sandra, it's been giving me a warm time about my jersey, Did you hear what's going on?
No.
It's been taking it.
Yes. Put this on camera. Man United.
Yeah.
The jersey. The viewers are smart. They know Man United is very bad football team. Very, very bad. Very toxic. It's okay though, you can't just throw everything on Kino one time, slowly, You see how we're grooming him, he's going to become this artist.
Yeah.
He's going to start supporting the right, correct team. You guys know. Come on, just high thing.
Hey, I got nothing to say, son. Nothing at all, Satnam. So I'm gonna chill in that water today.
You know any what?
Just sit in the water.
You want to sit in the water?
Yeah, I cannot swim right here because too rough.
No, the sea is rough.
So I'm gonna stay right in this little pond.
Yeah. There's none of those glowfish.
It's down that side.
Oh.
Jake's.
Jake's?
Oh, it was at Jake's, not down here. Let's see. That's from.
Blowfish? You mean the jellyfish now?
No, it's not jellyfish.
Blowfish is different.
Yeah. Different.
Like a puffer fish.
Yeah, the puffer fish. Right?
Puffer fish, yeah.
Yeah. We call it soursop fish here. Because it looks like soursop. Alright guys, alright. So So it's not so sunny. Yeah, it's not so sunny, so I can work with it the same way. So I'm going to sit in some salt water. Clear. Wow. Look on the wave that's coming in. Water feel nice. Nice. I'm not even lying. So guys, I'm gonna put down the camera so I can frightened. Hands up on one shell a while ago, I'm frightened. I think that's something over my hand. I'm feeling cold, I'm not like. Well, you see, now I'm going into the pool. So I'm just finished the seawater. Get some fresh water now, you know, go in the pool right now. In the pool, but I'm feeling cold. Yeah, so I guess the pool is a bit more warmer. So, yeah. Flash my locks. Rastafari, this is not flash the locks. You know, so that was good, man, I like. Good. So I'm going to add to the pool right now. Pool time. Then shower, then food, then relax and meditate. That is it. So pool time. So the pool here, so I'm back at the pool section. So I need to get some water and wash off my feet. So this is my room right here. So I'm just gonna rest this right there. Put my slippers there. So my room there. So just need to dab some water on my feet. I'll use a bottle. Something to catch some water. See a back here. So the pool water feel warm. So my feet is washed off. Warm. The water warm. Yeah, so water must feel. This is like the jacuzzi now. Hey, this feel much better. It's like the jacuzzi. Whoa. This is the warm jacuzzi in right now. Wow. Nice. Woo. Well, good morning. Morning guys, morning. So, it's this time for me to leave. It's time for me to leave now, so definitely going to say my goodbyes to Satnam and to everyone. So I already checked out already, and then just get my car for wash, take on the road, because the outside is a bit dirty. Because of the rain that fall, and then the place is hot, the dust blow and everything. So I just left my car to wash, so I will just give it some time to wash, and then I will be heading into Kingston. I'll be heading into Kingston. So I'm just walking to the street now where we have breakfast and chill and over all our vibe for a minute and then head out. So yes guys, it was a wonderful experience again, doing some great work. So this is it. heading there to relax, chill and all a vibe. Morning. Beautiful. So guys, please remember to subscribe to our Keynote Vivo. You know, please remember to subscribe to our Keynote Vivo. And you know, spread the word. Spread the word. Keynote is back on the music track. You know, so spread the word, guys. I'm back on it, doing the music again. So remember, check out our Keynote Vivo. So that's my music channel, different from this channel. So please go ahead and subscribe. Show the love. We love this show. Yes, sir. Oh, I lost that love, that love. You know?
Yeah, man. Always.
Thank to my brother.
Love every
You know
time.
what I say?
Love to everyone.
Yeah.
Bless up, bless up. More music coming, more music.
More music coming. More music.
Take care. It was good to meet you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Take care. Listen, man.
Yeah, guys. So I'm saying more music coming. You know the thing about so more works put in. So yes, I just complete another 2. You know, just complete another 2. Bang out. So yes, guys, I'm gonna edit now. So stay tuned. Blessed Lord. Remember, go and subscribe to our Keynote. So blessed love. Go subscribe to our Keynote Vivo. Alright. So we're there on the go. You all know. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.